In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the balance of power indicator in TradingView Pro with a quick and easy guide. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is up on the screen, look towards the top of the platform for the Indicators button. It usually sits near the middle or left side of the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. When that window opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can quickly find any built-in or custom indicator without having to scroll through long lists. Click inside the search bar so it's active and ready for typing. Now start typing balance of power, just like that. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. You should see balance of power appear under the built-in indicators section. Make sure you select the standard built-in version, not a custom script, especially if you're following along with this tutorial. Once you see it, click on balance of power, and the indicator will be added to your chart immediately. You'll notice a new panel appear, usually below your main price chart. That panel is the balance of power indicator. By default, it comes with standard settings and colors, which work fine for most people, but you can customize it to better match your trading style or chart layout. To adjust the settings, move your mouse over the balance of power area and look for the small gear icon. This icon opens the settings menu for the indicator. Click on it and a settings window will pop up. Here you can change things like the color of the plot, the line style, and any inputs the indicator allows. If you prefer a dark background, you might choose brighter colors so the indicator stands out. If you use multiple indicators, consider picking a unique color for balance of power so you can recognize it at a glance. Once you've made your adjustments, click OK or close the settings window and your changes will be applied right away. Take a moment to zoom in and out of your chart to see how the indicator behaves with price action. If you're new to TradingView Pro or you want to unlock more advanced features, make sure to use the link in my description to sign up. That way you can follow along with all my tutorials using the same tools and layout you see on screen.